Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. This is the GoPro Hero 11 Black, which I recently got, but in order to protect it, because I've already dropped it once, in order to protect it, I have got one of the best accessories I could find on the market from FitStill. So let's go ahead and unbox this particular packet. Get a lot of fun stuff in it, I guess. So that is the case right here. And let's go ahead and check this out. I like how they have packed it. So we have the silicone casing for the GoPro here, right here. We have the lens cover. They got two of those, so you can just cover. I think you can cover the lens with this. Maybe that one's for the max lens. So let's check this one out. Yeah, this definitely should fit on right on top of this. So, yep, this would protect the lens, which is good. So that's definitely a pro. This one, I don't think we would be using it because this one is mainly for the max mod, so I don't think it would be necessary unless I go ahead and get the max lens. Apart from that, we have one of the lanyard which we can connect right here so that you can hold the GoPro in your hand like this, which is good. It's a little short lanyard. I guess mine have a bigger hand, so and then it fits fine. This one, I believe, is it's the battery the battery cover, which would go right here. The good part about this one is it has the opening case for the charging purpose. The only drawback to this one is this is not waterproof. So the water would go in if you are traveling or if you're going underwater. It is going to definitely cause issues. So I would not recommend this, but I can definitely try putting this on. Apart from that, let's go and open. This is something I was really excited for. This is just a manual on how to apply things. This has a couple of wipes, dry and wet, since there are like two of these. Let's see. Wow, how many of them? This are like just the dust absorbers. So I'm gonna apply right on here. I'll use one of these, and then we might need one of each to cover the screen. This is for the back screen. This one's pretty small, so let's go ahead and put this one. Should be for here. Yep. And this one is for the main screen, which is this. So we got two of these, and then we need a bigger one for this screen. I don't know if we have any bigger ones, or they're the same size as this. I believe they're all the same size. And this one should be for the okay, this, and that should do the magic. They have given a cloth too, which is good. Let me go ahead and get these things out of the frame here and start getting things started, which is good. Let's go ahead and put the one on the front camera. So we have two sets of wipes here. The first one is a wet one, so I'm gonna go ahead and do wet. Yeah, sometimes they get really dry. Helps to remove the mask from the screen guard. So just remove this off. And then put this one on to cover this, and then just to clean this off. Now let's go ahead and clean this guy up and try and fit this bit. I need some more wet wipes. This is actually nice because this is actually staying wet. And this one still stays a little warm. A lot of dust particles in this. I don't know why. Let's go ahead and quickly remove this part and try and put this on here. So we'll need something to push the bubbles out. अरे आउछू कीधु तो खरू this, if you see, we've cleaned it up nice. And then another cloth, try and clean this off. So now, as you can see, there are no bubbles, which is good. And I'm gonna try and clean this up as well. I don't know why I was not able to clean it. And this would be covered. Okay, that makes sense. And then you have easy access to all your buttons. Just nice. I like to do a lot of good transitions with this. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and let me know how you feel about this. And it looks pretty nice here. Okay, alright, thank you so much guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.